What's up, kid family? On this video I'm gonna do a nice quick video to show you and help you make sure you guys get the right size wheels for your vehicle. Don't make the same mistake as some of the other people I mentioned before in my previous video did by selecting the wrong rim for their application. So come on guys, I'll show you the quick little tips that I've been doing to make things a lot easier. Come on. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to get yourself is a digital caliper. We bought this at Harbor Freights. This helps you do your measurements. So here, as you can see, you got your vehicle's hub, and all vehicles hubs have different sizes. So first you want to make sure what size this hub is, and the easiest thing to do is turn on your caliper right here. We're gonna open her up, and as you can see, we got a measurement in millimeters here. So let's turn it this way, and we're gonna take a reading right here at the widest areas, right over here, and the reading is 64.06. Again, this is not the most accurate one from Pittsburgh from Harbor Freights, but this is a clear indication that this is a 64.1 millimeter hub bore. So you want to make sure all your rims are either this size or bigger. Anything smaller you won't physically be able to put on this bore. So now let's go ahead and go to the wheels right here. Here we have a wheel spacer, which is 5x114 bolt pattern. So I'm just gonna show you guys again a quick little trick here. I'm gonna measure the inside diameter right here, and it's right around 72.76, which would ideally be 73 millimeter bore. Most aftermarket wheels come with a 73 millimeter bore, so you can use them in multiple applications. So now when you get your wheels, you're gonna get your aftermarket wheels, your stock wheels. You want to make sure what the bore is of the vehicle on the inside. This caliper won't work because there's just not enough physically space in the wheel to measure this. So I have a quick little tip. What you want to do right now is take your tape measure, hit it in here. So we got about 2.5 inches, and we're gonna take this and we're gonna roughly go right around 2.5 inches. And again, 2.5 inches is roughly 64.1. So that's how you confirm, you know, this wheel is gonna sit perfectly flush on that hub. If you're running a wheel that has a bigger bore than your hub, just get the hub-centric wheel adapters. Those are gonna make sure everything is nice and tight. So again, guys, quick tools that help make my life a lot easier. And this can be found in the link, or if you have a Harbor Freights around you, go pick one of these up for yourself if you're flipping wheels. My dog keeps on barking, but hey, it is what it is. Now this wheel adapter right here, this wheel spacer adapter, is a 5x114 wheel bolt pattern. And what I like to do it when I go check out these aftermarket wheels, I like to take this with me, because sometimes if you don't know what the wheel bolt pattern is, you can just make sure if this fits right in. As you can see, it just fit in perfectly. That means that the wheel is a 5x114 bolt pattern. If this didn't fit, that means that the wheel has a different wheel bolt pattern. One other way you can check if it's a 5x114, again, you're gonna measure some of the wheels. You're gonna measure right over here from bolt to bolt. If you want to make sure what the factory bolt pattern is from your vehicle, you could measure from bolt to bolt, and that's going to give you an accurate representation. But I like to go online, not get my hands dirty, type in the specs of the vehicle, and you're always going to get accurate information from accurate sources. Alright guys, so let's pretend for a second that this is a rim with a bigger bore than your factory hub. As you can see, there is a space between the actual wheel hub and the rim bore. This will cause vibrations. That's why you guys need to put that hub-centric wheel spacer that's going to cushion both of these areas and sit in between them, so the wheel is mounted nice and straight properly on the bore. So quick tip guys, hopefully this visual demonstration kind of helps you out and shows you what you don't want to do. And by the way, guys, don't use wheel spacers. As you can see, this one is cracked. I never recommend wheel adapters like this. And I have a video online talking about wheel spacers, wheel adapters, my recommendations. So go ahead, check that video out. I'll include that in the description below if you guys are interested in getting the proper wheel spacer, a safe wheel spacer for your vehicle. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps you with these quick little tips that I use to make sure I fit my wheels accordingly. I've been running so many sets of wheels on my 8th gen Honda Civic. It's crazy. I've ran probably about 15 to 20 sets of wheels. I flipped a ton of wheels, and you know, if I didn't know what I was doing and if I was buying wheels that don't fit, there wouldn't be any profit for me in this market. So guys, get stands, get fitted, make sure you know your spec. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos or my wheel fitment videos, go check those out in the playlist. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya, dreams